Welcome to Intro to Proofs, Section 2.1, Part 3. We are doing Progress Check 2.2 for this video. So just like I've said a couple times now, don't listen to this video until you've actually tried these progress checks. If you're not trying them, then it's like, I keep using the same metaphor. I need a new one, but you know what I mean. All right, so if you haven't tried it yet, stop it now and come back to this video. Now, for those of you who have tried it, let's do this. So let's make a table. Oh man, I need to work on my mouse work here. All right, so P and Q and not Q and P and not Q. Let's undo that. Go bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, maybe 5. So we've got P, Q, not Q, and then P and not Q. So here we've got, I think I can use text now. So we'll do, this is true, and this is true, and this is false, and this is false, this is true, this is false, this is true, and this is false. So in here, not Q, it's just the opposite of Q, so that makes that false, and then true, and then false, and then true, and then that makes P and not Q, so one of them's false, so that's false. P and not Q, they're both true, so that makes that true. Here, they're both false, so that makes it false. And here, that and that are, one of them's false, so that's false. So that's how you do the truth table for P and not Q. Let's clear all those drawings. Moving on to the next one, not P and Q. All right, let's do a little box. Okay, so do 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 do. Get a little bit wider, and then a little bit wider. Okay, and then I need 5 lines. 1, and then leave it half. Okay, way bigger boxes than I need, but you know, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna need, so here I'm gonna draw freehand. Got our P, got Q, and then we'll have, we gotta work from the inside out. So then we'll do P and Q, and then we'll do not, parentheses, P and Q. Okay, so again, we have truth, truth, false, false, true, false, true, false. So P and true, it's only true when they're both true. The other times, if one of them's false, at least one of them's false, then it's false. So then we just negate that. So then true over there means false there. These other 3 are false, which means they are now true. Okay, false, true, true, true. Remember that, because we'll see that again. Okay, clear all drawings. Move to the next one. Not P and not Q. All right, let's do this again. Obviously, I don't need as tall of things. There's that. That. 2. Then I'll need a not P. And I'll need a not Q. And then I'll need a not P and not Q. And then we'll need some straight lines. And then 4 of them. Do. And so here we'll have, I'll just put it, can I put just a not? Everyone understand if I just do that? Since then you don't have to read my bad handwriting. All right. Well, first we start with P, and then Q, and then not P. So we'll just, we're limited by our annotation software here, and then not Q, which really would be like that symbol, but it's okay. All right. And then not P and not Q. Okay, so then we've got true here, false here, false here. This is the way we just normally set up truth tables, that you set up like your first half of your empty spaces are true, your second half are false, and then you go alternating your second one. It's just the way that everyone does it. You don't have to do it this way. People will look at you weird if you don't do it this way. All right, so then we negate everything. So negate the P's becomes false, false, and then true, true, and then negate the Q's, we get false, true, false, true. And then to do and, it's only true if they're both true. So you get false, 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 true. And that's how you do that truth table there. All right, our last one coming up, not P or not Q. So here we go. Let's build our, we need one for P, one for Q, and then one for not P, and one for not Q, and then one for not P or not Q. Then we need some straight lines. Divide this in half. So then we'll say up here will be P, up here will be Q, and this will be not P, and this will be not Q, and this will be not P or not Q. So again, we do our true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, and then not P negates P, so false, false, true, true, not Q negates the Q's, so false, true, false, true, and then we OR them, so it's true, it's false only if they're both false. So that's false, and then true, true, true. Now, I said earlier to remember something, and that was back on number 2. That one ended up false, true, true, true as well, which means those things are equivalent. Number 2, if you recall, was not, and then P and Q inside parentheses, and then not P or not Q gives you the same truth values, which means those things are the same. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, let's clear all those drawings, and that finishes progress check 2.2.